Good morning, India. Today we are going to start a new class for class 9 NCERT Math Solution. Let's discuss more about it. In this class, today we will discuss about the exercise 1.1. Chapter 1. This is number system. Exercise 1.1. Let's discuss the first question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? As we know, 0 is a rational number because we can write 0 as 0 upon 1, and we can also write it as 0 upon 2, 0 upon 3, where we will get the value of these fractions as 0, because I had already told you that 0 upon any of the integer is equal to zeros. It values 0. So these are the examples which it asked, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. But keep in mind that we cannot write the denominator as negative integer. So you have to notice that we cannot write the denominator as negative integer. Let's move on to the next question. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. As we know, if we want to find the rational numbers between two numbers, first we should have to look the denominator of these numbers. Here we can see both of the denominators are 5, means same. Then what should we have to do? If we want to find 5 rational numbers, then we should have to multiply these numbers by 6. So what should we do? Let's see. 3 upon 5 multiplied by 6 upon 6, and the other fraction will be 4 upon 5 multiplied by 6 upon 6, wherever we will get these fraction as 3 6 18 upon 5 6 30, and this fraction as 4 6 24 upon 5 6 30. In these two fractions of the comparison, we can see that between 18 and 24 we will get 5 numbers. Write it as 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30. Count them: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I hope this is so much easy for you. Let's move on to the next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answers. Let's discuss about the first one. Every natural number is a whole number. Before giving the solution for this, I would like to tell you that what are natural numbers. As we know, natural numbers are the number which starts from 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma and so on. And what are whole numbers? In these questions, we should have to compare both them numbers. Whole numbers are which start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And in these questions, it says every natural number is a whole number. We can see that every natural numbers are present in whole number. So we can say this one is true. Let's discuss the second one. Every integer is a whole number. For this, we should have to know about the integers and the whole numbers. As we have already studied about the whole numbers, so we should have to discuss about the integers only. What are integers? Let's discuss about integer. In integer, we will get the positive value, 0 and negative value, wherever in our whole number we get only 0 and positive value. We couldn't get our negative values. So this statement seems to be false. Let's discuss the last part. Every rational number is a whole number. According to our question, now we should have to get the meaning for rational number. According to our first question, we know that a rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q, wherever P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. According to our question, every numerator and denominator doesn't seems to be becomes a whole number, because in our whole number it seems to be only one number, maybe numerator, wherever denominator always is not equal to 1. So we can say that every rational number could not be a whole number. So this statement is also false. Now I can hope that you would like this video. Thank you for watching.